Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigit Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using simple TikToks. Now these TikToks that I'm making are very easy and simple to make. They only take seconds to make. All you need is a quote, a song, and a video. That's it. And you can get all of these free off the internet anywhere you want to look. Alright guys, and you can follow along very easily here. You can follow along very easily and do the same thing I do. Links in the description for the $25 all-in-one digital business. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, let's check and see how our Motivational Connect page is doing. We're gonna refresh it here. Okay, we got 115 follows and 664 likes. That's not doing great, but it's growing. You know, it's growing. It's definitely growing. And this is a test, guys. Remember that. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go on to our I think I already found the quote. Yeah, I already found the quote on Pinterest earlier. So yeah, I already found the quote, guys. So this is the quote I want to go with. Change your thoughts, change your actions, change your life. That's the one I'm gonna go with. I think that's a pretty cool quote. But anyway, we're gonna find us a video here. So we're gonna go through pencils here. See what looks good. I like this. I like both of these actually. I like all three of these. So we're gonna go with this. And we're gonna use this video here. We're gonna go back to our page here, to Canva. I'm making this in Canva, by the way, if you can't tell. Let's see the video as background here. What we're gonna do, it made sound, so we're gonna take that out. I'm gonna edit the video, make it a little brighter. Brightness, got some contrast to it, put some saturation to it, make it look amazing. Y'all see how that looks now? It looks amazing, colorful. Just slight editing here, and what I'm gonna do here is now we just need to, oh, it's too short. It's only 4 seconds long, dog. All right, we gotta find a different video. So we're just gonna go to the next one here and do the same thing basically. I just realized how short the video is. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this. Not gonna work either. Okay, so we need to find a video that's longer here. I just assumed they were gonna be long enough here. I'm sorry guys, hold up, give me a second to find one that's long enough here. Quick. Okay, that's long enough. Alright, so place the background here. Alright, so we're gonna do the same thing we did to that video there. We're gonna make sure we mute it there. We're gonna edit it, make it brighter, make it contrast, make it saturation pop. Boom. Looks very nice. Alright, so bright and nice. I like that. Anyway, we're gonna just change the song here. We're gonna pick a song. We're gonna go here. We're gonna do that. Delete track. Right there. We're gonna find us an audio. Find us a song here. We're just gonna pick one. Let's go with that. Move it a little bit. Just hit it in a random spot in the song. It's gonna sound like a different song. You know, make sure we get our volume straight for it. Want to put it at 6 here, and that should do it. Let's see how it sounds, guys. I don't like that. I don't like how that sounds. We're gonna delete that song there. We're gonna pick something else for the song. I just don't like how it sounds personally. I'm gonna see something a little bit lighter. Got it play. Okay. Alright guys, I'm trying to put it low. I like that. Okay, so we're gonna go with that song there better. I think that other song was so loud it picked up. I'm very sorry about that if it did. Anyway guys, we're gonna download that. Boom, boom. We're getting this done. Alright, so we got the song, we got our Motivation Connect. So anyway, man, we're gonna go to our page here, our TikTok page here, and we're gonna find us We're gonna copy that, put that in there. We're gonna put an upload. We're gonna post our picture like that, and change your mind and change your life. Okay, we're gonna pick like I'm gonna pick wealth and something like manifestation. I spelled this word wrong. Wealth manifestation. Let's see how this works. We're gonna choose the boom, and we're gonna put that here. We're gonna just post that fraction. We just take that last one out there. Cause I could think of one word real quick. Search. Boom. Alright, so we're running copyright. We scheduled a video. We're gonna change where we schedule it. We're gonna put it at 4 o'clock here. We're gonna put it at 4 o'clock. The next one at 6. The next one at 8. Oh, I just realized that ain't 4 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. All right, so we just sit down. All we gotta do now is wait till the video to download, which is just happened, guys. Just happened there. We just pop that in there, and we are about to be somewhere close to almost done, right? Sorry about that. Anyway, guys, we are practically done here. So all we gotta do now is just schedule it. Boom. What is this? What is this? What are we doing here? Boom. I guess I had to do that too. Schedule it. All right. And we're done, guys. We got the video uploaded. Pop on 4 o'clock in the evening. Pretty nice, pretty easy, very simple to do. You can follow along very easily, guys. All you gotta do is sign in to the $25 one digital business with the link in the description below or on my channel somewhere. It's all over the place. I don't post it all over the place, right? Easy to find it, all right? And then you just start posting TikToks. Or you can start posting TikToks first, build up your following, then you can sign in after you get to 1,000, so you can put a link in there. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.